Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of
Microscopes.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Doug from Carson Optical, and today we've got an LED lighted pocket microscope of ours called the MicroBrite Plus. Now right away you can see it, this is nice and compact. And as far as pocket microscopes go, this one couldn't be more simple to use. This is one impressive little microscope. It actually has a range from 60 to 120 power, which is huge. With this you can see things that the naked eye just can't. If you enjoy looking at plant life, or need a microscope that you can travel with, the MicroBrite works outside and can be stored right inside your pocket. You got this little knob here at the top that slides back and forth and is used for changing magnification. Below that we have a nice wide focus adjustment wheel which wraps around the body and is really good to give you that extra control when focusing. So pocket microscopes. If you don't need a traditional microscope and you're looking for something a little more portable, then you're going to love the MicroBrite Plus. You can look at literally anything. A couple fun things to look at are the hidden things found on currency like the microprinting. And any type of fabric looks great under this thing. With the lenses in this device, even a thin strand of hair will deliver some pretty impressive results. And the lenses in this device are spheric. That means less distortion and a better overall image for the user. Speaking of the lenses, being a little more portable, then you're going to love the MicroBrite Plus. You can look at literally anything. A couple fun things to look at are the hidden things found on currency like the microprinting. And a better overall image for the user. Speaking of the lenses, items can come to life under a microscope. This microscope definitely makes detailed inspection a lot easier. Objects or flat surfaces.
Unwind the cord from the back and plug it in the back of the microscope. The on-off switch is on the right of the scope. Put the object lens on low power and move the stage to its highest position. Adjust the light to the medium or medium-high range. You can adjust the light later to improve the image. The brightest light doesn't necessarily result in the best image. Open the clip on the stage with one hand and slide our microscope slide to the back of the stage. Put the object lens on low power and move the stage to its highest position. Open the clip on the stage with one hand and slide our microscope slide to the back of the stage. Our microscope head can rotate by 360 degrees.
Hi, I want to show you this Wi-Fi handheld microscope. How you can see it's small and very portable, and it's to be used on the phone or on the computer through the app. You just need to download the app to use this in your phone or computer. The app calls Microscop and it's super easy to use. I'm going to show you, and it comes with this USB cable to charge it, and it's very portable and it's cute and great. So I'm going to use this and show you. So here's my phone, and I am the tablecloth. Wow. And I can press the bottom plus to see more. Look this. This is my tablecloth. Look this. This is my cloth table. Is this, and with the microscope.
Hello shoppers! I have one great product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a wireless digital microscope. It's very nicely designed. Compact size allows you to take it with you to go anywhere. It can even fit in your pocket. It also comes with the stand, with the adjustable angle for your maximum convenience. Hello shoppers! I have one great product over here. I would like to share it with you. It's a wireless digital microscope. It's very nicely designed. Compact size allows you to take it with you to go anywhere. It can even fit in your pocket. It also comes with the stand, with the adjustable angle for your maximum convenience. This digital microscope is a great choice, compact, portable with long-lasting battery and very simple to use. It's perfect for teachers, students, kids. It's great for exploring nature, coins, or anything else you will find it useful for. I like this product very much and I would highly recommend it to you.
Let's see what a strawberry looks like when magnified 100 times. Use a fresh strawberry. Take a strawberry peel sample and see the effect through the microscope. We can see that the color in the skin of the strawberry is beautiful, rich in vitamin C and dietary fiber, beneficial to our human health. Now we take a strawberry pulp for comparison. We can see that the color of the strawberry pulp is lighter than the skin, but the cells are rich in water.